What if I told you, a guy born in the 1800s figured out how time itself works, without a computer, without the internet, just by thinking. And not just a little bit. I mean, he literally proved that time can slow down, space can bend, and the faster you go, the weirder reality gets. Yeah, this isn't sci-fi. This is real. And it all comes from one man, Albert Einstein. But here's the crazy part. He almost failed school. The bad student myth. So picture this. One of the smartest people ever, struggling in school. Sounds fake, right? Well, Einstein didn't actually fail everything, but he did hate boring, strict education. Teachers thought he was slow, because he questioned everything. Instead of memorizing facts, he asked weird questions like, "What would happen if I could ride on a beam of light?" Yeah, not exactly exam material. But that one question? It changed the world. The light thought experiment. Imagine this, you're chasing a beam of light. You're running, faster, faster, almost as fast as light itself. What would you see? Einstein realized something insane. No matter how fast you go, light always moves at the same speed. Always. That breaks everything we thought we knew about physics. And from that single idea, he built something called Theory of Relativity. Time isn't what you think. Here's where things get weird. According to relativity, time is not the same for everyone. If you move really fast, time actually slows down for you. This is called time dilation. So technically, if you traveled near the speed of light, you could go into the future. Not joking. Astronauts on the International Space Station actually age slightly slower than people on Earth. Not by much, but enough to prove Einstein was right. Space can bend? Okay, now imagine space like a trampoline. If you put something heavy on it, like a bowling ball, it bends the surface. Einstein said, that's exactly what mass does to space. Big objects like planets and stars literally bend space itself. And that bending? That's what we feel as gravity. Mind equals blown. The famous equation. You've probably seen this before. E equals mc squared. This tiny equation changed everything. It says energy and mass are basically the same thing, which is why a small amount of mass can release huge energy. That's how nuclear power works. And yes, also atomic bombs. Einstein didn't build them, but his idea made them possible. Einstein the human. But here's something people don't talk about. Einstein wasn't some perfect genius robot. He forgot things all the time. He hated wearing socks. And he once said, "I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious." So yeah, curiosity being naturally smart. Why he still matters today. Everything from GPS on your phone to space travel relies on Einstein's ideas. Without relativity, your maps would literally be wrong. So next time you use Google Maps, thank a guy who imagined chasing light. Call to action. So yeah, Einstein didn't just change science. He changed how we understand reality itself. And all of it started with one weird question. If you could ask one crazy question about the universe, what would it be? Drop it in the comments. And if this made you think even a little differently, follow for more mind-blowing ideas.